This is my 2-inch hydraulic ram installed in Barangay San Gregorio in Alaminos, Laguna, and it's now pumping about 40,000 liters per day of drinking water to the community.
Okay, move over ko to the
Make some set up. And then full frame back up. And then end with a pan sasaka. And then go back. The vertical drop here is about 8 meters, and the source of water is actually in spring, which is located about 500 meters from the supply tank. And before this, the barangay used to pump their drinking water using a diesel engine, and they're spending about 50,000 pesos per month for fuel expenses. And with this hydraulic ram, they are now pumping their drinking water with no cost at all.
Okay.